Here's how to facilitate a sequence structure as a teacher. Click Create and select Sequence. Enter your structure name. Create labels for each element that you want students to complete and leave blank any elements that you don't need. Select a grade level, then click Create. You will have students join the activity by heading to soups.io and typing in the code specific to the structure, or by going directly to the structure URL. Once students enter, they can begin contributing right away. You can click on a student's work to react to it and see the badges that they've earned. And if a student writes something inappropriate for your activity, you can delete it. This will delete all of their work. If you want more insight on how your students are doing, you can enter Teacher View. Here you can see every student, their level of participation, and the badges that they've earned. And utilize the class insights at the bottom here. You can also ask Soup, our AI helper, any questions based on the student input within the structure. That's it. Happy teaching.